Alright people, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another POV drive. I am filming this after I did the drive because I wanted to get to the location and show you guys a little bit of what it looks like out here and where I like to come whenever I have free time. So I'm gonna also give you guys a little montage of the brake calipers I just installed on my car, and these are the B9 calipers. So yeah, let me show you guys what that looks like right now, and then we're gonna get right into the video, which is the POV drive. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Alright people, so I want to show you the view, and this is where I come sometimes. There's a lot of people that do fishing in this lake, and that's where I record my shorts of me zooming through the bridge. It sounds really good, but yeah, most of the videos I record them in this area. We do the back roads over there, and yeah, that's the lake right there. And yeah, you guys, it's pretty cool. It's a nice view. This is what the car sounds like right now. She sounds like she's cammed. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. Yeah, here's the other view. It looks really good. Alright people, how's it going? I hope everyone is doing good today. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another day in my office. If you guys are new here, my name is Mike, and this is my 2012 Audi S4. I'm sure you guys have seen this car a lot. I got a little bit of a surprise for you guys. Alright you guys, alright people, so for today's video I want to show you guys a few things that I've done to the car, and once we get to the location I'll show you guys what that is. But yeah, follow me on there so we can there's a nice S5 behind me right now. Maybe I can race it. I'm gonna see if I can raise the S5. Let me slow it down a bit. Get in that middle lane. See if they want to race. Alright people, so today I'm showing y'all a fixed POV because my GoPro doesn't have the SD card, and I think I lost it. I'm looking for it and I can't find it, but for today this is what we have. I'm gonna slow it down a bit more. Let's see if that S5 is coming this way. Probably not, but oh, he's going the other way, you guys. We can't raise him. So yeah, guys, like I said, thank you guys for watching and for supporting me. Stay tuned for more, and peace out, guys.